Hello, today we're going to read Rutabaga, the Adventure Chef, Eric Colossal, Book 1. Rutabaga, the Adventure Chief. Found you! Pick. These are perfect. Legendary bell-top mushroom only grows in the wild on legendary artifacts. Sniff! Halt! Drop your weapons and step away from the sword. You are surrounded. What do you want with the legendary dragon sword? What? No, I just wanted these mushrooms. They only grow on legendary artifacts, I swear. Smell them. All right, I believe you. We've been looking for this sword for days. Let me introduce myself. My name is Win. This is Manny. Hi. And this is Beef. Yo, Beef. You named you that? My mom? And what a lovely name it is. What's your name? My name? The one and only Rutabaga, the Adventure Chef. Having grown bored of the standard food offerings available in towns and inns, now traveled the land searching for strange and magical ingredients to add to my cookbook. Pretty exciting, huh? I've been adventuring for a few months now, and it's been great so far. I've cooked some amazing things that no one has ever eaten before. Someday I hope to have my own restaurant and really wow people with my creation. Roasted mud leech, roasted tri-fin boggled fish, ghost mushroom salad. Well, good luck with that. In the meantime, we have much bigger problems to deal with. Pop, we have a dragon to kill. Manny! Oh, we got jumped by a gang of goblins. Manny got hurt bad. I've got just this thing. This way. Through here. Ta-da! Lay him down here. Let's get cooking. Here's how to make Chef Rutabaga's perfect potion. Guaranteed to get you back on your feet. Ingredients. 1 white-tipped honey-spiced root, corkscrew juicer, sweetened bloodberries, parasol stem. Slice honey spice root into 4s and place in juicer. Juice it. Add blueberries to taste. Shake it. Add parasol stem for a garnish and serve. Glug glug. Hi guys. Hooray! It worked. How did you do that? Are you a wizard? I'm a chef, not a wizard. I figured a spice drink would wake him up. Can I have another? Now, what's all this about a dragon? A few weeks ago, a dragon attacked our city. It swooped out night sky and rained on our homes. I've been tasked to find and destroy this dragon with the legendary dragon sword. You have to let me come with you. I never had a roast dragon before. I hear it's amazing. Alright, I guess. Excellent. I'll be ready to go in a second. Don't leave without me. You think it's a good idea? He seems harmless. Buckle. Zip. Okay. I'm ready. Let's go. We won't find that dragon standing around here. Hey, what's about this? Oh, yeah. Hey, you come along, too. Now. Wah! Well, this is it. I don't know about this. When? What? With the legendary dragon sword, nothing can stop us. Yeah. Hey, wait up for me. You stay here. Guys. Oh man, huh? Well, pop shrooms. These are delicious. You have to be very careful cutting them so they don't pop into your hand. Then you have to tie them up tightly to keep them from popping in your pocket. These sell for 20 gold a piece at the market because they are so rare. 20 gold? Get out of the way, Rutabaga. Oof. Womp. Quite horsing around, you guys. This is serious. Geez, act like words. You see anything, Manny? Manny? Oh no, it's the dragon! Dragon! With the legendary dragon sword, we will repay you for the destruction brought to our homeland. Yeah. Oosh. Yikes, this is no place for a trap. I just tied back here. Wah! Ow. I wonder how the team is doing. Wow, what a find. A whole dragon egg. Oh boy, this is going to be so tasty. Well, looks like they have this under control. I just get in the way. Better get out of here before I get noticed. Dragon! Prepare to be vanished by dragon sword. Alright, boys. Yeah. Run! Rutabaga, where's the dragon sword? It's dumb. I don't want to talk about it. Crash! Oh man, here, hold this for me. I really hoped I didn't need to do this. Oh well. Bone appetite. Womp. I can't run anymore. Me either. Pant. Wheeze. I can't believe the dragon sword melt. I can't believe I bent my mace. I can't believe I broke my other arm. I can't believe I found this dragon. Now, how should I go about cooking? They say even the strongest knight with the strongest weapon can't break the shell. Dang it! Hey, you! Come here. What that thing name anyway? Name? I guess I never got around to give name, did I? How to think of the perfect name? I got it! I'm gonna name you Pot. I think he likes it. Here you go, Pot. After you. Where did you get the pot from? My grandma gave him to me a few years back. Did you get him from a demon? Is there a demon still trapped inside? Well, no, I got him for my birthday. Did you buy him from a magical wizard store? You really love magic, don't you? Uh-huh. Crack. Ah! Grab your forks. Whack! Kill it. Whack! Come on out, Pot. That everything is dangerous. Bark. Gotcha. All right, you little runt. Playtime is over. Wait! Why? When you are ready to eat his mother, you, but now you think because it's cute we shouldn't kill it? But let me tell you, this thing will grow up, and when it does, it won't wait to kill you. No. Because of that, work. Let's get you back to the fire. Roo, what are you doing? I'm freaking out. Since I've met you guys, I've nothing but bad luck. Everything I've tried to do has been ruined since I teamed up with you. Now, just do me a favor. Leave me alone, Pop. Roo? A pot mushroom. Yeah, I was saving this to sell it at in the market, and well, you can have it at egg. Beef, that is one of the nicest things anyone has ever done for me. Yeah, well. Anyway, here you go, catch. Boom. Beef. End of chapter 1. I'll read chapter 2 next time. Bye.